guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angel and I'm back again with another video. So guys, in my today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make your carrot oil at home, and the ingredients I'm using is just coconut oil and extra virgin oil. I'm going to be mixing it together to form carrot oil. You can actually use any oil of your choice, sunflower oil, coconut oil, as you can see in this video, virgin oil, any kind of oil at all. So guys, I'm going to be using 4 carrots, and I have my vitamin E. This is vitamin E here. So guys, I'm going to be mixing it to it. Is optional. You can use it, you can decide not to use it, it's up to you. And I have my jar that I'm going to be putting it when I am done, and this one is ready, but I'll wait for good 2 weeks before I can fully use it. And it's about 5 days now, so I have 9 days to go. And guys, if you end up having this type of carrots, don't use it, okay? Don't use your carrots if you find it like this. So I'll be cutting this carrot into pieces, or rather I'll be grating it with this grater. Then when I'm done guys, I'll show you guys the next step to follow. So guys, at this point the carrot is ready and we need to dry it. We have a very big problem because the sun is no longer shining, or we are in the winter season. I have to use the oven, which is the only option I have now. Like you all see before, I showed you the previous one that got burnt. So this time around, I'm going to sit around the oven while I wait for it to dry. So at this point, I have to be very careful and watchful. I'll get back to you guys soon. So guys, the carrot is ready and it's fully dried. So all you have to do is just to grab your pan and put some oil in it, okay? So I'm using this extra virgin organic coconut oil. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So this one is a bit expensive, so it's more expensive than the usual one. The organic is always more expensive, and this one is extra virgin, so it's not mixed with any kind of God, the smell. So I'll be using 4 spoons. Okay, 2, 3. Let me check how it is. Okay, so guys, let's go for 3 since I'm mixing it with the. So at this point, all you need to do is to filter the oil. You have to leave it to cool for a while, and you filter out the oil. So guys, this is how it looks like. When you are frying, please use a low heat. As you can see, it's number 2. Okay, a very low heat